guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I'm gonna do small unboxing, one from Chanel and one from Hermes. Let me start from small one from Hermes. This can be watch or jewelry, right? Yeah, let me open. So I bought this a while ago actually, but I was waiting to get another item. I was waiting. Still I'm waiting for it. So let me open. This is Farangdor multi-silver bracelet. I believe this shape represents horseshoe, and this goes well with any kind of style. So this has a 2-3 size. This is a medium size. There's a larger size, medium size, and small size. Small size I tried. It was too short. I cannot put this because it's gonna be really short. So I chose medium size. Let me just try like this. Oh my god. I love it. This is it from Hermes. I'm waiting for a mini bag from Hermes, so wait for it. I gonna get pretty soon. Yeah, so I gonna do unboxing maybe next week, I guess. I forgot to tell you the price of this bracelet. Yeah, so the name was Farangdor multi-silver bracelet, and this is medium size. This is $660 in USA, and there was a tax, 9.5% tax from LA. Total amount with tax was $722. It really goes well with my Chanel cardigan as well. It's so pretty, mint with silver.
Love this iridescent white watch. I found the bigger size in homepage. I think these are last season clothes, but I tried some. I've seen this dress a lot, but I didn't like the backside, the print. It was a little bit too much for me. There was cardigan version as well, so I tried. I think this is better. But I don't like the color block on the jean. It's too much. I prefer solid color. Love this coral color cardigan. I think it's from last year as well. You can match with a black skirt, any jean. I love this jean as well. It was $1,400. The price was pretty good.
Now let me move on to Chanel unboxing. Actually, I bought this a while ago, 2-3 weeks ago, when I did the unboxing of another mini bag last week. Yeah, at that time I bought this together, but I was waiting for another SLG together to do unboxing, but I couldn't get it yet, so I'm not sure when I can do it together. But yeah, let me open this one first for now. So this one is SLG, not the mini bag, I would say, but there is a shorter strap, so yes, it's very light. So I was thinking, I did a vlog, shopping vlog in Chanel boutique already. You've seen this, yeah, one of the SLG I tried in store. Yeah, I loved it, but I was thinking, and then LS I decided to get. See, this is so big, but it's so sturdy when I look at it. You can use as accessory than bag, to be honest, because it doesn't fit a lot, but it's so cute. I just got the basic simple black color. Last season I heard there was a short version and you could wear a crossbody, let me show you. So I wanna wear like this. I saw so many influencers wearing like this, so I really want it, but it's not easy to get last seasons. And backside is just simple like this, champagne gold and black color, cap skin, but not the caviar. Let me open. There's a magnet. Even though it's a 21K SLG, it had this authentication card. I don't know why. Maybe SLG still have the authentication card, I guess. Unlike mini bags or bags, many other flat bags. 21K clutch with chain and champagne gold. And let me show you quickly inside. Before that, let me talk about price quickly. So this one I got from Costa Mesa boutique, and they have a 7.75% sales tax. I mean, it's better than 9.5 sales tax in LA. Costa Mesa was a little bit cheaper with the tax, but the original price was $3,275, and there was 7.75% tax, sales tax from Costa Mesa boutique. Yeah, so I love this because I can match with any kind of casual style, even a feminine look. It's gonna go well. I can maybe hold it like this. It's like wallet size, a card holder size. So you can put some cards made in Italy. It's a very simple style like this. Yeah, nothing else inside. But I love it because I can wear it as a like accessory, not as a bag. Shoulder strap itself has like some style, so like I love this feminine look. So this is a basically clutch. I wanted a shorter version, but you know I just couldn't get it. But yeah, I still like this one because I can wear as a crossbody. Yeah, so it's cute. I love it.